Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload an existing VS Code project to GitHub. Let's get started. First, go to GitHub and create a new repository. Since we're uploading an existing project, don't select Add a README this time, just create an empty repository. Now open your project in VS Code. To add a new file to VS Code, go to File and then click on Add Folder to Workspace. Now open the terminal and the first command we're going to run is git init. This tells Git, hey, start tracking this project. Next run git add dot. This adds all the files in your project so Git knows which files you want to include. Now let's save our first version of the project by creating a commit. Run git commit -m initial commit. Think of a commit like taking a snapshot of your project. You can always come back to this version later if you need to. Now go back to GitHub and copy the repository URL. Come back to VS Code and run git remote add origin followed by the repository URL. This simply connects your local project to your GitHub repo. Next run git branch -m main. This sets your main working branch to main, which is the default branch used by GitHub. And finally run git push -u origin main. This uploads your project to GitHub for the first time. The -u option also remembers this connection, so next time you can simply use git push. If everything goes well, refresh your GitHub repo and you'll see all your project files uploaded successfully. And that's it, your VS Code project is now on GitHub. Thanks for watching and follow for more simple GitHub and developer tutorials.